HookahPro.com, your ultimate source for everything hookah. Find the latest tips and tricks, videos, reviews, contests, and more.
Hello, Internet and hookah pros alike. I know to use that kind of intro because the intro is recorded after the actual unboxing. So, you'll get to see me unbox proper, not knowing what's in it. And you know what you're in for because of the intro doodle. So, as I, in present time, go to get more cough syrup, watch the unboxing. So what I got is about that big. The U.S. Postal Service seems to have smushed it just a little bit. So, let's see what's in here. Sorry, took a minute to read the fact it had a warning on it. Warning. It says the box has been sealed up with, what do they call it? Pilfer-proof tape. Pilfer is a wonderful word, and people don't use it enough. So, I'm just going to cut the box, because I don't want to go through the warning tape. Yeah, this warning tape, means business, man. Almost there. Ooh. Explodey bubble pops for later. Aha! I did not recognize the mailing name on this, but it's what I hoped it'd be. I got some samples of HookahHookah cup shots and, oh boy, a watermelon tub. Now, remember the review I did of the HookahHookah watermelon? I said it was a little off, kind of, you know. Go back, go watch it. I can't remember exactly the differences I said, but I really remember to reiterate the proper differences when I do a review of this tub of watermelon. Now, I'll open that in a little bit. Let's see what I got in the little samplers. Clove. I like clove stuff. Can't smell it through the packet, which is a good thing because it means it's sealed up nice. Oh, I'll be excited to try clove. But the bitch of things is I'm getting over a cold right now. And I'm not going to do any reviews until my palate is back to normal. So. Next. White Rabbit. I'm going to have to play some Jefferson Airplane when I smoke this. Mr. Bean. I can only assume that this is a coffee flavor, because I don't know how you would get a... I wouldn't want to taste the British comedian, really. I mean, I've watched enough of that guy's stuff. No. Yeah, so a coffee flavor of some sort. Sounds good. One more. Ooh, I like the sound of this. Mystic Mandarin. Yeah, this will definitely be one to get the wife's opinion on, too. She likes orangey stuffs. So, I am a happy camper. Once this cold clears up. I know that was pleasant. Yeah, so now I know who that is. So, cool beans. Before I go, try not to hit the desk and cause another earthquake. I'm going to pop the lid on the watermelon. No, I'm not smoking it right now. I really want to smell this stuff and take a peek and see if it has the same amount of moisture as the little cup I had. Oh, I don't want to peel that off. That little sealed label there. Oops. Oh, I gotta do it. Oh, and I tore it. I'm such a dick. Okay. Ooh. That is different. There's a mango-ness sneaking in there. It smells like watermelons. Legitimately. Real watermelon. And mango. I mean, it smells freaking delicious, but I'm just wondering if that'll sneak its way in the smoke now. I have to wait. Cold is clear. Yeah, it looks much juicier, too. Okay. I got myself a good little stash of samples to hit on. So, time to get the... Time to take some more cold pills, and see you later.